Yoxheimer Tile is a countertop and flooring business in Jackson, Michigan, and we are primarily focused on growing our countertop business. I am Kyle Ruddle, and I run our fab shop. I quote jobs, I program jobs. I basically run the business here. We used to order cut-to-size granite from China. We were cutting on a matrix manual bridge saw. Everything was manual, stick templating, you name it. Freight all of a sudden skyrocketed, so that's why we bought the Fab Center. It was a CNC saw and a CNC router at the same time. The turnaround time was crazy. We were able to take slabs off the truck and fabricate them in and out of the machine to a finished product in half the time we were able to do it on the matrix. The Fab Center also brought milling into the equation and miter work, which we weren't doing before that. We wanted the capability to run a router at all times in the shop. After a year, we decided it was the right time to expand, and we picked up another EDS 138 router, which in turn turned our Fab Center into mostly a CNC saw. It was another year and a half between when we bought the second router and the Raptor. The Raptor is the primary saw in the shop. We use it to cut everything out there. Even more so complex than the Fab Center alone. I mean, you can cut inside miters, you can cut crazy shapes, inlays for company logos. I mean, you can do a lot of cool stuff with that machine. Now that we have all three in the shop, we have a dedicated saw, which is the Raptor, and that's able to feed both of those routers, the Fab Center and the EDS 138 at all times. Since we've added the Fab Center and now we have all three pieces of equipment out there, we've more than doubled our gross revenue, and our profit margins have increased just because we're able to get pieces in the shop, get them out effectively at a high quality. They're great people behind the name Northwood. They make a great machine that's truly invaluable to our shop here. I mean, if you go out there, it kind of speaks for itself.